Thing that nobody ever asked for, I'm not chosen. The Mr. Gun. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy K Dizzy, man, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And in today's video, we're gonna go over the markets, we're gonna go over the charts. I'm gonna go over 3 pairs: XAU USD, GBP USD, and AUD USD. But yeah, let's get right into it. So I'm just gonna kind of briefly go through what I see. All right, monthly, I see we have bullish movements. We had 2 months worth of selling down, but now this month we're five days in and it's kind of going up a little bit. But let's see on the weekly. Can't make too much judgment on that view. Let's see where this came down to right here. Not quite yet at this weekly institutional. Just make sure you guys can see right here, weekly institutional candle right here that I see. So let's rename that weekly institutional, right? So okay, so right now selling off. I see right here it hit this area and then has been selling down a little bit lower. Let's go on a 2-day to see anything. Yeah, so it did hit this 2-day and this daily. So let's go ahead and mark this. So usually I only trade gold, but I've been seeing it's in a very unique, interesting little price action that I see right now overall, like on the higher time frame as well. And when it's overall on the higher time frame doing some like kind of unpredictable things or just a little wonky, then you want to take precaution. And that's why I'm also doing 2 other pairs, so I can, you know, get other setups just in case gold has no setup for this week or Monday, Tuesday, whatever. So cool. 16-hour, 8-hour. Let's see if I see anything. Nothing right now that I see worth pointing out. I do see, right here. So right here we have a 4-hour institutional candle. It did not hit yet, but we're gonna mark that. Same with over here, 4-hour institutional candle on the upside, so we know where it's also wanting to go. Area of interest. Okay, let's go to the 1-hour. Let's see. Nothing here. Boom, this is up here, so I do see something right here. Yes, the 1-hour institutional candle. Okay, 10-minute, I don't see anything going on right now on both sides. I don't see nothing on the 15. Did I skip something? I see something on the 15-minute that I'm going to mark right here. I see something right here, 15-minute. Mark this. 15-minute institutional. Cool. What about the downside? Nothing yet that is hit. 5-minute. We're in something right now. Actually, we're gonna use this rectangle because this is gonna get deleted, so this is more of just like a eye opener one. Five-minute institutional candle that we're in right now, right? And then if it's going down to retrace, then we'll have this area in our radar to see what it does. See if it disrespects or respects it. But I mean, overall, what do we think is boom? Like this area right here is consolidating on the higher time frame. So okay, this is a 10-minute right here. We're also gonna mark this out for the 3-minute institutional. Right, see what it does over there. So we got our targets and things like that overall, right? I mean, either or, you know, I'm not gonna trade right now, so these are gonna be my targets that I see, and we're gonna see, you know, later on when I look at the charts later what it's doing with these areas, right? But let's go to AUD USD and let's see what it's doing. Starting at the monthly, I see selling vibes, bearish vibes, you know what I mean? I see this monthly institutional candle. Kind of already got a bearish bias. Let's see though. So right here, I see on the weekly institutional candle, it bought into that and started selling down. Weekly institutional candle. This is interesting. AUD USD is very interesting right now. Okay, it might be a little easy week, bearish week. We got 16-hour also that I see is going to respect. We can literally put in a trade right now if we wanted to, but that's not what we're going to do. Actually going to wait and see what it does in this 16-hour institutional. All right, so I see this 2-minute or 2-hour institutional candle I mark because it did go into it once and then sold off right here. So this is an area that could possibly retrace into and do the same thing, aka a nice little move. 1 hour, I do see a little sum. Let's go to 30 minutes, see if it's cleaner on there. It is low-key cleaner on there. So right here I see a 30-minute institutional candle that it did respect earlier. So this is the area of interest. 30-minute institutional, right? And honestly, this is fine for now to let's see, 15-minute, 5-minute. Okay, let's see what it's doing right now. It's currently in a 3-minute institutional right now. We will see very shortly if it disrespects or respects it. So it'll tell us if it's going to catch some price on the downhill side or continue to move upwards. But based on the overall bias, this might be the move downwards. So, yep, I'm not considering it to be respecting it. So let's actually see the next target that could be hit. I'll go with this one right here. So I could take a scalp for a short right now, but we're not doing that. Part of the strategy is time. And my time is 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. 8 o'clock a.m. Eastern time. Join the description, the Discord. Trade with me live, baby. Let's go. All right, so we're good with AUD. We're gonna let all these play out and things like that. I have my biases, right? Bearish on AUD. Gold right now. I don't have a bias. It's been super wonky, and I'm a scalper, so my bias is in the moment type of thing. And in this moment, I'm just marking things out that I see, and just when it comes time to trade, and tomorrow, I'll see what is done, and then I'll, determine my entry execution and stuff like that. But let's go to GBP USD and let's see. So actually I already marked it a little bit, but let's kind of just briefly go over. So right now definitely bearish, right? Boom, 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 came up here. Let's see what's up here. This is a weekly institutional candle right here. 2 of them things. I don't know why and how this is marked. Is that normal? Okay, we're good. Alright, so boom. Yep, nothing right here. Okay, let's just keep the structure pattern going. This could be the low. Well, hold on now. On the monthly, it looked a little crazy. On the monthly, we're actually... Now we need to change this to the monthly institutional. Right? Because we are possibly in crucial times of it could possibly be breaking structure, which means now to the downside, because this is months of data. So if this monthly disrespects a previous low, then it's gonna be telling signs, of where it's really planning on going. So we are going up. Let's just mark this 1 hour. It's not the most cleanest. I do see this right now. 10-minute institutional candle. I do see that right now, and it is reacting bullish. So right now I think we're retracing just to sell down I think that's gonna happen. It could happen up here. For our institutional, I spelled that wrong, but it's okay. Let's see on the daily. Weeks, today, weekly. Let's see. 8 hour, 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour. Interesting. We might be bullish on this one. Like I said, retracement, right? Let's see on the 1 minute what it's doing right now. So if you really want to get deep into it, this is a 1 minute institutional candle. Could send it on a frenzy to the downside, or could disrespect it. How do we know? We wait and find out. That's my analysis for the week for these 3 pairs. I usually only trade 1 pair. When you know how to trade and you have your pair and you know how to read it, all you got to do is have 1 pair. But sometimes some pairs don't have moves, so you need a different pair. So I gave 3 just for other people that might not trade gold. So yeah, join the Discord. Like I said, this week is gonna be great. First week where I'm actually like thinking about trading in my Discord for free and helping others and just showing my screen, you know what I mean, for everybody. So join that, and I'll see y'all in Discord. Let's make this money.